unpack this Triovino 3-in-1 aerator, vacuum sealer, and wine pour all in one. Comes nicely packaged. Here you have your instructions on how to operate the Triovino. Got your warranty card, 1-year warranty. And then right off the bat inside, you have the straw, your charging cable, and best of all, where all the magic happens. Here it is in all its glory. Beautiful stainless steel design. I have the silver finish, but it does come in gold and silver. And right off the bat, this thing is gorgeous. You've got your spout. Here is the digital screen, protection, and then also protection here. And this is where your straw will go. And then it comes with this carrying case. So if you're leaving the house, going to a friend's house, going to a party, pack it up and ride on. Rule number 1 is charge the device. It comes with a charging cable already, so you can just plug it into your USB. And then all you have to do, it has these 2 magnetic snaps, and boom. So number 2, after charge, says set up the tube, and we're going to insert the tube. We are going to position this on our wine bottle, because when we're done with this bottle, we're gonna vacuum seal it. That is gonna preserve our wine for up to 10 days. So now that this is in, we're gonna power it on. Press the start button. We press the start button, and then it's gonna cycle through the presets. And then now what we're gonna do is, there got a minus and a plus sign, and this is going to allow you to dispense what kind of volume you want. This ranges anywhere between 50 milliliters to 999 milliliters. We have 59 milliliters, and we're going to double tap. And you can see the display showing you how much wine it is dispensing and aerating all at the same time. Now we want to vacuum preserve our wine, and in order to do that, it says double tap the start button. Now I'd like to show you from this angle. Now that you were able to see the LED screen, we're gonna press start to activate, double tap the dispense button. See, it automatically aerates your wine, so you have all these nice bubbles in there. So your wine has now had the opportunity to take a breather. Now when you're done with this, you're just gonna pop it off, take the straw off, and this is 100% waterproof. So you can wash this, clean it out. I powered it off by holding the start button, and then now you can go and start cleaning it. Be sure to put your cap back on it. But Triovino, you really did a really great job with this. I am definitely going to use this personally, and this is a great gift as well for any of your wine connoisseur friends. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and cheers!